Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 28th of January 2022. Taking a look here at AVAX. So AVAX here, we're going to do a multiple time frame analysis. We looked at this last week, I believe on the 21st, and not much has really changed here with respect to the 3-week candlestick chart. It's still in this rising wedge below the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, so that's not the best. Go over to the weekly chart. The same kind of angular setup is here. And it is below the weekly Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen as well. It's above the cloud though, so that's a positive. The relative strength index remains in a bull market between the two oversold levels in a bull market of 50 and 40. And the composite index has dipped below. Actually, I think the composite index has made a new all-time low. So there's some clear hidden bullish divergence here. You can see how when you look at the low in the composite index in the week of July 12th of 2021, then you compare that to the low here that we had last week, it's a lower low. But when you look at the price levels on the candlestick chart, the corresponding price levels of those dates, you can see that we have higher lows and higher closes. That creates what is known as hidden bullish divergence, which is only relevant if something is in an uptrend, which it is. But the problem with it is you want to see that hidden bullish divergence show up when price is near an important support zone, which it's not right now on the weekly chart. There isn't a, unless there's actually a fib level here. Let me just get our strong bar there. Okay, yeah, it did. It was near that 50% fib retracement. It did bounce off that. So I take that back. It did get to a price zone that is important and could turn into a nice mover here. Finally, looking at it on the daily chart, rising wedge-ish again. Oh, actually, there's the weekly. Actually, that's the 3-week. There's the weekly, and then the daily is over here. There we go. Got this bullish pennant that was there that it moved down below. And it looked like we were going to get a little bit of a rally, but as it approached that prior 100% fib expansion and then it hit the Tenkan-sen, we've just had some selling pressure here. So AVAX on the daily chart still in a bull market between 50 and 40 on the RSI. Hasn't hit the 30 zone yet, but there is some definite downside risk there. The composite index, the percent B dove down below 0.2 back on the 20th. And it's just kind of hovering up against that zone. If you look at it from a Bollinger Band perspective, we're kind of hugging those bands, the volatility bands, and the composite index continues to slope down. Looks like it's going to cross below its moving averages. Looks like a bearish continuation setup. So likely to see it return to test 5186, the 1618 fib extension. It could come down there to test that as support, or you could see it even move lower to test the 2618 at $30. I think that's a little iffy though, but that's just something to look forward to. As far as upside potential, it's likely limited to the Kijun-sen around that, and the 786 expansion near that $80 range. But we'll see what happens over the weekend. That does it for me on AVAX. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.